do you agree that accountability is going to be a critical factor when it comes to you achieving all your goals and achieving all the money that you want, having the wealth that you want, building the relationships that you want, building the health that you want? Accountability is a key factor, right? And when it comes to accountability, we need to be actually accountable to all the tasks, all the activities that we are supposed to be doing. Am I right in saying that? Thank you. And probably that is also one of the biggest reasons you are here and you have joined the Success Habits Mastermind, the Life Project, right? So the first thing I want to do is I want to welcome you again to the Life Project. Thank you so much for taking this decision. And at the end of Success Habits Academy, we keep on building systems to hold you accountable. And this particular call is exactly to tell you how we are going to track you over the period of next 2 years, and how can you track yourself over the period of next 2 years. And at any given point of time, we come to know where you exactly are. All right. And I'm going to give you a demo and an overview of this accountability system. Would that be good? All right. Awesome. So, as I said, thank you so much for being here with us. And me, Kedar, the entire Success Habits franchise team, we're going to be our best. We're going to do our best to help you achieve all the goals that you want. So, what's going to happen in this call today? In this call, it's probably going to be about 15-20 minutes, and I'm going to run you through the entire Zoho projects, and you must have received an email, an invitation email to log on to that portal as a client. I'm going to tell you how to go ahead from there, right? Then also I'm going to give you an overview of all the milestones you're supposed to achieve during these 2 years, all the sessions you're supposed to attend during these 2 years, and you will come to know exactly when your The Life Project certification will be made available to you. And it's after doing all those tasks, it's only then that you will be awarded this huge certificate of completing the Life Project. And trust me on this, it's going to be a huge achievement completing the Life Project. And you'll come to know as we go through this session today. All right. So I call myself, I brag about myself as a systems guy. I love systems. And I'm sure you must have heard this. Whatever gets tracked, whatever gets measured, gets done. And I love to measure things. And continuing my trend, I am going to love measuring each one of you sitting here in my office on my dashboard, no matter where you are. You might be in Thane, you might be in Indore, you might be in Kolhapur, you might be in Raipur, Nagpur, Pune, Nasik. Wherever you are a Success Habits Mastermind all over India, I'm going to come to know where you are. And that idea itself is getting me super excited to share this system with you. All right, so let's go right into it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through step-by-step process, what you need to do to get acquainted and get started with the system. And I'm going to share a screen right now, right? So this is my Gmail. This is a new account I created just to give you a demo. So in this Gmail, you must have received an email like this. Zoho projects, welcome to Zoho projects. All right, go ahead, click there. Then click on join this portal. Now it will prompt you to create a password. Now I'm creating a password, and that is 1 crore ##. Now you can create your any password. Talking about passwords, I always have passwords which relate to my goals and my dreams. Okay, the password should have both upper and lower case letters. So I'm going to make that C capital. One crore hash hash. I'm done. Join this portal. Yeah, so my passwords will always be something about my dream. Every account has a different password and it's a different dream. So, it's a beautiful reminder for me to achieve my dreams, achieve my goals, and be committed to it, stay on track, not get distracted. Because every time I punch in the password, I am sure that uh, I am getting reminded about my dream. All right. Now, this is what will open up. All right. This is the screen that you will see. I'm talking about laptops. And what I would recommend is first get started with your laptop, do it on laptop, and then download the Zoho Projects app. Use the same email ID, same password that you created to log in. And once you have logged in, you should. I'm sure it's pretty easy to figure out your way through that app. But I'm going to explain you on this laptop right now. And you must be having two notifications this side, which is saying Sudhir.success, saying welcome you to join the project. All right. So you'll receive a welcome message from me in the notification. Now you go to milestones. All right. Now here you see the project name. So for me, this is a dummy project I created, but this is exactly what you're going to see in your portal. I created this dummy name, Sudhir column 1, but you're going to see your name. All right. Here. You click here. And again, you get this window, go to milestones. Cool. Now there are 5 milestones, right? How many milestones? 5. And ultimate leadership success program, business, finances, 48 mastermind meetings, 48 accountability calls. So pretty much these are the things you are supposed to achieve in the next 2 years. These are the milestones you are supposed to achieve in the next 2 years. End date, I have not put it. If you want, you can edit it. But I'm okay with going like this also, all right? Now, you might ask me, Sudhir, when did I sign up for Ultimate Leadership Success Program? Yes, you did. Because when you click on the milestone, you'll see these 6 programs that you're supposed to attend. All right, during the 2 years. So, business directions intensive, understanding people mastery, train the trainer, financial freedom intensive, systems mastery, emotions mastery. Right now, these are the task list. Open this task list, and all of you, yeah, 99.99999% of you have attended business directions already. Right? That is why you are here at the Life Project, right? So you select that status as open and click on closed so that you mark that one task as done, all right? Click this back arrow and then click this back arrow again, go to the milestones again. Again, say for example, if you have attended Understanding People Mastery or Train the Trainer, you can click there, go to the task list and get into the task and mark this as closed. And this task will be marked as closed and it's done. Okay, you are there. You have completed that. All right, go back to the milestones. These are the milestones. You can go to the milestones by clicking black, or you can go to milestones by clicking on this task bar here. All right, now there's another milestone that is to be completed, that is the business milestone. And these are the modules you are supposed to complete. Of course, with my help, with Kedar's help, with your coach's help in your city. And these are the milestones we need to complete. So go to context setting, and these are the tasks that we are supposed to complete. Now, you might have already a business vision which you are happy with, and you think you don't want to discuss that with us. That is okay. Just go ahead, click that status as closed. All right, already. But there are some things, for example, so another thing, business logo might be done. All right, business name might be done. Right, but for example, magic number has not yet been calculated and you need my help on it, keep it open, do a call with us, get that magic number sorted, and then mark this task as closed. All right. So this is so go ahead and browse through the entire context setting menu, all the things that you're supposed to do. Go to the selling tasks. Now, remember the game we played in BDI and the model of automation I had taught you? These are those task lists, right? When it comes to selling, these are the tasks that you're supposed to complete. But if you check this screen here, you remember the model of automation, right? The selling, team, training, systems, accountability. Again, I would love to thank Blair Singer here, my mentor, my guru, who taught me this and various programs I attended of him. And yeah, these are the modules that we got. We created them, and these are the exactly things that you're going to work on in your companies in the next 2 years, right? So this is the training module that you need to complete. This is the systems module that you need to complete, right? And then there's the accountability module that you need to complete. There's only one thing, the accountability, we need to create a tracking dashboard, right? Now, these modules, go through them, and it is nothing like you need to complete one after the other, right? Yes, there are some modules at priority for some people at their different stages of their business. For some, selling might be a priority. For some, training might be a priority. For some, accountability might be a priority. For some, systems might be a priority. Some team might be a priority. So it's all up to you. How do you want to use this in the next 2 years? But we're going to get these done in the next 2 years. That's for sure. All right. Go to business. Then there's finances module here. And these are different modules inside the finances milestone. There is ILA sheet, managed ILA sheet, additional income source, passive source, 2-year financial roadmap. Click on these task lists, you'll get to the tasks that you're supposed to complete, and you're going to be a happy person, right? Once you complete all of these. Or you're going to be happy first and then complete all of these, right? Whatever, however it works for you. Then the moment you attend mastermind meetings, now here you'll find the entire list of 48 mastermind meetings that you're supposed to go through. All right, so go through these mastermind meetings. There are 48 of them, which we are going to go through. Mark all of them, which I've already attended. If you're just getting started, everything will remain open before you close. Then you attend them, and then you close them. And of course, there are 48 accountability calls to be completed. All right. Now, remember that we had mentioned some of the tasks as done during this call right now. So here, when you go to projects, yeah, this is the project that you will see. And again, you go into that project, go into tasks. And here you'll see all of these modules here, right? And here you'll see the status, open or closed. All right, so we mark some of them as closed. I'm going to just search for them. Where are those? Yeah, we marked. Where is it? Oh, sorry. So if you check this view here, this button here, it's showing all open, right? So it will not show closed. You go to all tasks, then it will show only. It will show all of the tasks, open or closed. It will show all of them, right? So let's just give this some time to open up. Yeah, I think it's here. So see here, it's a couple of them. You marked as done. And where is it? You marked as closed, right? So remember, open is yet to be done, closed is done, all right? So finalized business vision, we marked as closed. So it is showing in green and this closed, right? Creating 8 eyelash sheets from backward integration, it's that task is still open. Now, if you don't know that what that task is about, ask your coach about it. You're in your TLP hand-holding group. Ask him, and you know what? It's your responsibility also to make sure you're completing all these tasks in the given 2 years. Now, I wanted to show you something about the Kanban view. You can explore the plain view. It's quite plain. The Kanban view is an interesting view where you can drag drop tasks. All right. So, for example, if you have attended accountability call number 3, put it, just drag and drop, and it will mark as done. If you have completed your current liability sheet, just drag and drop, and it will show as done. All right. So, just that's a good view to just drag and drop. I like the simplicity of this. All right. Now, here, if I add some comments, you will see some comments about your project here, which I have added, right? We can attach documents, we can save all of these documents here, right? And we can add milestones, right? A lot of things you can submit issues also, and I will come to know them, and we'll all be better to track our project together. Now, if you go back to milestones, you will here see how much percentage of what milestone you have completed. For example, ULSP, you have completed 33%, business 7% is done, finances 5% is done, accountability call 2% is done, and all of that, right? If you add these up, they must be around 172 tasks which you are supposed to complete in the next 2 years. Good so far? Happy with this? I'm sure you are. You have to be, because I'm going to track you and you are going to track yourself also. And that's how we both are going to grow. Would you agree that, out of these 172 tasks, you complete 150, you complete 120, or you complete all of them, which is the recommended thing, 172, there will be a definite change in your business and in your life. Do you agree to that? Thank you. And that's the exact reason I've built this system, so that all I was thinking one day sitting, and I just wanted to know, how can I track more than 1,000 students taking up the life project all over India, just sitting at one of my dashboards. And this is where I came up with this idea. All thank you to Kedar, my partner, supporting me in this, and also Murli, to seed that thought into me that we need to have a dashboard like this. All right. So that's this tutorial about. I'm going to show you my dashboard. Oh, this was yours. All right. This was yours. I'm going to show you my dashboard, how it looks. So I'm going to sign up from this account. I'm going to go into another account. I'm going to sign up. Sorry. It should be login. Go back and log in, and this is my dashboard. You got to download the app. It should be available on both Android and iOS also. Use the same login to enter into the app, and you will see the same thing. You'll see the project, you'll see the tasks, and you can mark those tasks as done in the app also. Right? So this is my dashboard. This is my feed that I see. When I go to project, right, so I have categorized these projects as per the region you are in. So example, I want to track someone from Pune. I'll just open that and I'll just track. And I'll just come to know that who is where, all right? And I'll come to know the percentage completions here. How many milestones they have completed, how many tasks they have completed, and I will come to know where they are exactly when it comes to completing the life project. All right. So this is about it. It's as simple as it gets. Hope you are able to do it by yourself watching this video, and let me know. Give me your feedback whether you are completely able to implement the system. And if there are any doubts, feel free to get back to me directly and I'll help you uh, to get started and get going with the system so that I can have an eye on you